Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable color inversion on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to experimental section. And okay guys, here you can see the color inversion. And the color inversion is disabled. And okay guys, to enable the color inversion, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this color inversion. Okay, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the color inversion on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this color inversion. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled color inversion on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.